Boom! I'm tired, me not just no. I feel burn some fire and not just enough for freedom. I freedom. Yeah, this is KONGOMAN ASH, the Mountain King, Abagada, and you're in tune to YardpreeTv.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to people worldwide tuned in to YardpreeTv. Today we have a very special guest, rising recording Jamaican artist, known to many as KONGOMAN ASH, aka the Mountain King. What a go on, General?
Abagada, you know.
See.
Blessed love, you know. Yeah, YardpreeTv, big up on yourself. That joy for having you here, you know.
Yeah, man.
Welcome to the mountain.
Alright, and give thanks for having us. You know, are making time for us.
Yes, I am.
See? So I know you have a busy schedule.
Actually.
Alright, first and foremost, KONGOMAN ASH. Where in Jamaica are you originally from?
Well, Kingston. I don't know. Most king born in Kingston. So I'm not say king no born nowhere else, but most king born in Kingston. So I'm from Kingston. Kingston 9. Don't know. I was born in Kingston and grew in Kingston. And St. Andrew. I don't know the thing though. King and a queen.
So Kingston 9.
Kingston 9.
Okay. What was it like for you as a youth growing up in Kingston 9?
Well, it was great, you know. Don't know in the rural area. Don't know on the natural aspect of life. We're up in the mountain, yeah. You got a whole heap of rivers, you know what I mean? A whole heap of streams and fountains, you know what I mean? A whole heap of fruit trees and I don't know, a little old lady over there, so good morning and old man and everybody. It was great, it was nice. You know what I mean? That stuff alright, bro.
Give thanks. So, how did you get the name KONGOMAN ASH?
Well, KONGOMAN ASH, it forward from the Rastaman, you know, KONGOMAN. You know, so the Rastaman or KONGOMAN said we. I don't know the Hebrew Israelites, you know what I mean? So we go back into the ancient, you know, and we use up the ancient Hebrew, which is Ash. You know what I mean? And so we don't know as a Rastaman, grow father, a Rastaman and everything. It just come take on to our flesh. So now I say, so it was a natural thing, it was more like an inborn concept, but come call it KONGOMAN, Rastaman. I burn the Rastaman fire, so them say KONGOMAN ASH. You know what I mean? So, yeah, it was great.
Okay. So at what age did you start pursuing music?
Yeah, I know you're going to ask me that. Someone ask me how old I be, you know. I'm thousands of years old. I do music from a barn. Yeah, but, you know what I mean? I've been doing music from a tender age, you know what I mean? Because as I said, it's an inborn concept, you know what I mean? My father a musician, brother a musician, everybody a musician. You know what I mean? Plays and singers of instrument. So, you know what I mean? From a tender age, from in my teens. You know what I mean? So, yeah.
Okay. What is the name of your first single, or what was the name of your first single that you recorded as a youth?
First single? Well, I record so much single, better than them just go like say whatever they record. Nothing show you the equal rights and justice. But you know what I mean? Yeah, you have a single name, Open Up Your Arms and Stretch Out for I. You know what I mean? Open Up Your Arms and Stretch Out for me. You know how long me I call you? Yeah, that single is nice, you know what I mean? I don't even remember the brother name that for show you how long, but at the same time, you know what I mean, that was the first single I can recall and say, yo, this was a single I put out. Yeah, for KONGOMAN ASH. And at that time, my name was Champagne.
Your name was Champagne?
Yeah, at that time.
Okay. So as a youth, going by the name Champagne at that time, who inspired you? Like, who are some of the artists that inspired you, both locally and internationally, to become an artist?
Well, I know, sir, come and grow up on music, old man are hear, old man are listen, and you know what I mean? They make something they said way. And when I sing over, because you don't know the musicians, you don't know. I grew up on Alton Ellis, you don't know Gregory Isaac, I grew up on a whole lot of them. So I say, Barry Saman same way. You know what I mean? And then now if you go overseas, we have to talk about Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, you know what I mean? Yeah, and just to name a few, they come out to the rapper, Tupac, CMB, Biggie Small, you don't know. Yeah, so, I mean, it was great growing up, you know, listening to all these icons, you know. It just imprint the vibration, you know, me spiritually, if you let me know, say, yo, I have a chat down and do that something. Yeah.
So you were inspired by great musicians. People were not really sing slackness.
Know what I mean?
See.
Yeah.
Youths are hoping to take heed to that, right?
Yeah, daddy. You go with mama and papa, and everybody go with the full family, but I don't know, some of them are single parent, but at the same time, you know what I mean? Children live what they learn, you know what I mean? Yeah, I learn so I could have plant a seed and watch it grow. So I come in at this time, come still do the same thing and teach even my babies them. So I don't know the thing go. But I
which is right.
Mountain.
Which is right. Which is right. Alright, you said in the past you went by the name Champagne. What created or caused the transition from Champagne to KONGOMAN ASH during your journey of music at a young age? Well,
I guess Rasta just start pulp out of me like a chew out a ball. So basically the people just start seeing me literally as a Congo man, because you know what I mean? It never really matter, the things of the world never really matter to me no more. You know what I mean? So yo, you have to shave up your face and you know what I mean, you have to do certain things in a certain lifestyle, you know what I mean? It was always natural. You know what I mean? So growing up step by step, you know what I mean, during the passage of time, you know what I mean, we learn to say yo, being natural is great. You know what I mean? It helps enhance the vibration to become even perfect with perfection to another level.
Yeah.
So Rasta pulp out of me like chew out a ball. You don't know face bush up said way. So I say certain little things we let go, we don't start, we don't do them things no more, because you know what I mean, we know better now, so we just come do better. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Tell us about some of the obstacles you have faced in the musical journey. You know what I mean? To get where you are right now. Because you have been doing this for quite some time. And you have been making great music. So until you have gotten that recognition now, tell us some of the obstacles that you have faced as an artist.
We are just pray this. When I have no some option that will me face. There is only one thing that I face. Is knowing that yo, during the past of that time I've been doing great music and good music. And it don't get no recognition. Yeah. That is the only thing we face. But everything is great, you know what I mean?
So in your opinion, why do you think you have not gotten the recognition that you know you deserve? You don't think you know you deserve. Because I listen to some of your songs, you have great music.
Yeah.
Compared to some artists that I've heard on the radio.
Naturally.
So in your opinion, what do you think is the reason why your music, some of your music goes unheard to the public?
Well, let's put it that way, power struggle, you know. Yeah. Good music become unheard majority of the time because of power struggle. You know what I mean? Manager now want to put out that because that's too stern for society. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean? Sometimes most of the good artists them don't really have management either. You see me? Because from I've been doing music till now, I mean, a lot of great youths come along the way and help me do a lot of things, and I give thanks. You know what I mean? But none of them have ever played a role of being a manager, where I'm concerned. You know what I mean? And I haven't booked that person yet. They say, all right, them are going to play the management role. You know what I mean? But we just manage it yourself. You know what I mean? But, I mean, these things are some of the things that really is really a glitch in a good music.
So you're
power
saying,
struggle.
So it's a power struggle.
Yeah, if we put out good music, people really can't manage that. Them can't angry, them don't want to push it in society because them afraid the people might say, them afraid they go ban, them afraid they go spend a bag of money on it and then they go get shelf because of what me I say, or probably to all me I say it.
Yeah, but,
you know what I mean?
But listen, the songs that the public haven't heard, which I and the YardpreeTv team was privileged to hear, which we're going to feature that in the next episode.
Yeah.
But a lot of your songs aren't that controversial. A lot of your songs is actually speaking about daily issues that people are facing.
They know how you about that.
So I think a lot of the songs are radio friendly, to be honest with you.
They know how you about that. Because when I say power struggle now, if you don't have the links, you have to have the money.
Money.
I don't really want to say there are individuals that are collecting to play songs, and I'm not saying that they aren't. But this is the reason why the power struggle come in. Harder for you put something positive on the table of the youth's their life than to put something that is much so fucking negative.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Society just crave for that. I don't know why. I don't know who they're working for. But that's the way it has been over the years, you know what I mean?
So apart from management, it has a lot to do with what them call payola.
Yes. And sometimes links and access. Not all the time payola, you know. Sometimes links and access. Because you can get you a door now. It's not who you know, it's who know you. You get what I'm saying? So it's very tricky where that is concerned. But I know that good music to a certain level haven't get the justice that it's supposed to get. And all the parties that they can name a few, they're just not getting a justice because of the type of music for them do.
The kind of music.
So we learn in this time now, so we gotta be more versatile. Versatility have to play a lot of roles, you know what I mean?
But you have versatility. I've heard summer friendly music. I heard songs about mothers. I've heard songs where you even spoke about current situations, even what me da call embarrassing situations to our culture, where we already know Jamaica is not a culture where used to certain things like I rate the woman them and them thing, and I've heard songs just a couple minutes ago before this interview where you're playing songs that is addressing these issues, and I don't hear a lot of male artists sing about it. As we see recently, Popcorn drop a video where my burn out Raper Boy. I don't hear much people, and I've heard songs like that, so I don't see the reason why your song need payola to be heard, because you're speaking about things that is truthful.
People are in the business with that. Society not in the business with that. They want their money. So whether it has something to benefit them or not benefit them, bring your money come. And if you don't bring your money come, you better come with the links, or you better show some loyalty. You better come each up around me for 20 years. Let me see say you're loyal. And them things that them are going to be. So I guess what we do now, just up in the mountain, visit the foundation, the only place, and create the own like a circle. And just work with the same matter everybody work with teamwork with the dreamwork.
Which is right. Which is right.
There's some self-reliance and self-thought and all these things, you have to exercise them, you know what I mean?
That's true. That's true. Which is right. And speaking of teamwork, make the dream work. Your recent single entitled Freedom.
Tired and we tired, we not just on, not just on, no. That's why we burn fire and not just on for freedom, for freedom, for freedom. Me I tell you, say we tired and we tired, we not just on, not just on, no. That's why we burn fire and not just on for freedom, for freedom, for freedom.
Which a lot of people would see as a sensitive topic, some people as controversial, and as I said, some people see it as meaningful. You know what I'm saying? You not only released a song where I feel like, you know, you're expressing yourself in a way where a lot of people are afraid to speak their mind, so to speak, but you have also collaborated. You also had a cameo feature from another controversial figure, right? Mr. Stephen Mike Witter.
Yeah, man, my big brother, you know?
Like, what was the inspiration behind the creation of those lyrics for the song entitled Freedom?
This time, you know what I mean? In this time, yeah. You know them time, yeah. In a revelation time. You know what I mean? Everything I played out in front of our eyes. And we can see it plain. But sometimes when the brother asleep, you have to wake him up. And make him know what I want. Sometimes when the brother gaze, you have to show him the attention. You understand? So all of these words that create this thing and your freedom is nothing really new underneath the sun. Honestly. So I say, because I eat Garvey, the chat about for a long time, Taki, Nani, Malcolm X, Marcus Garvey, all of them youth there. I talk about the same thing from them time till now. See me? So it's just words put together to show us you're nothing new under the sun. The same thing I go on at them time in some different ways. So when my brother gives me, I just wake him up and gather the words together and summarize and say, all this, go listen to this, overstand on yourself, know what I want.
Wow. That's a very powerful record, you know, because it's so powerful. It got the attention of great Jamaican bloggers like Faye Measures to speak about it.
Yeah, man, big up Faye Measures, man.
Yeah, much respect to Faye Measures, right?
Yeah, man, big up.
Yeah. Okay, you made the video for the song. What was the experience? Because you look like, even though you were speaking about a strong topic, you look like you full joyed yourself in the making of that video. And whose idea was it to put Mr. Stephen Mike Witter in the video as well?
Well, as I say, I'm a big brother, you know. See me? And great minds think alike. You know what I mean? And when I meditate all the things that are happening in this world, in these times, you know what I mean? I realize I'm a big brother out there, same way I walk and talk. He might not do music, he not sing. But I mean, it's music to my ear also. I mean, hear my express himself, the same way me, I and I would express myself in the music. You know what I mean? And great minds think alike, as I say so. You know, it's just to just sight the vision and put it together. And that's what I did. You know what I mean? Put my vision with my big brother vision together, you know what I mean? So the world can see. Wake up and know what's going on and know, say, yo, you hear me? Tappy sleeping, tappy ramping, wake up now.
Fair enough, fair enough. Fair enough.
Because you're still around here, live around here in the flesh. Gav is still around here in the flesh. All who are chastised, the magnet, try to know that them, feed them gene, the same one they sell out Gav in them time there. I feed them gene, they sell out, culture them. All who laugh and feel like it's a joke thing. Because when we defend equal rights and justice, so uno, and for the sons and sons and sons and sons in a tomorrow of days to come, they can name sitting constructive and know that it's not going to sick them and kill them off. When we put emphasis on these things, you know what I mean, for the relevancy, you have some people take it serious, but some people laugh. When lightning flash look for thunder roll, ask any scientist, brother. Mountain, you know? That's the eye.
So we're going to get to that, you know.
Actually.
Alright. Speaking of cameos, right, apart from appearances from Mr. Witter in your most recent video, Freedom, well, I wouldn't say it would seem, it is known, you know, that you are very respected by some of the great musicians before you in the business. For example, in one of your music videos, you had Sizzler.
Is it that we are waiting for you? We return the black slave, we haven't been paid. Yes, we still are waiting for you. Because don't no carry it far beyond. Elizabeth, we still are waiting for you.
Big up the girl Collins. Sizzler Kalonji. A Hebrew Israelites around the country. The big brother, my father, my king, the general, without apology. Hear that? No. I never get Sizzler to come to nothing, you know. Sizzler have always been there.
Fair enough.
Sizzler a great youth, way. As them say, real recognize real. The amount of album that the man they have, me never need him. Him not need it to come sit down side of me in one video. He never needed to have to do that. But as I say, real recognize real, and it's a similar magnet. As I say, that my bloodline. The song Elizabeth is really a song where but just empower black people to make them know, say, yo, wake up again. And members say, yo, we have money for collect. And don't take the ancestors' work for joke thing. No. It's just a little thing for remind the colonial slave master that we're supposed to get our reparation money. You know what I mean? And we have been waiting patiently. And as you can see, we are still waiting. without violence, loving our neighbors as we love ourselves. So that I go on. One aim, one heart, one for all for one, and that this man there shall be no failure. So until black man realize that Moses still live around here, Solomon still live around here, Abraham around here, Jacob around here, Mashiach around here. Until the people them overstand that, them not going to overstand what them truly deserve.